Feed the fireplace power cord through the opening of the wooden mantel in advance. Carefully lift the fireplace and position it in front of the mantel opening. Slowly slide the fireplace into the mantel. Keep the unit level during insertion to avoid scratching or damaging the mantel. Secure the fireplace to the mantel using screws. Press the power button to turn on and off the appliance. Press the timer button to set the timer from 1 to 8 hours. Set the timer to 0 hour to cancel. Press the flame color button to change the flame color. There are 4 settings: 1 red, 2 yellow, 3 blue, 4 orange. Press and hold the flame color button for 6 seconds. You will hear a short beep. The indicator will show digital 0, and the flame color and brightness will be changed automatically. Press the flame bed button to change the flame bed color. There are 12 settings: 1 red to gentian blue, 3 green for pink, 5 yellow, 6 cyan, 7 purple, 8 white, 9 saffron, 10 sky blue, 11 verdant, 12 capri blue. Press and hold the flame bed color button for 6 seconds. You will hear a short beep. The indicator will show digital 0, and the flame bed color and brightness will be changed automatically. Press the dimmer button to adjust the flame brightness. There are 5 levels. The flame becomes brighter from L1 to L5, with L5 being the brightest. Long press the dimmer button for 6 seconds to enter sleep mode. All indicator lights will turn off while the heating function remains on. Long press the button for another 6 seconds to exit sleep mode. Press the flame speed button to adjust the flame speed. There are 5 settings. The flame speed increases from U1 to U5, with U5 being the fastest. Press the heater button to select from 3 modes. First, second off. The display will flash. The remote control functions the same as the control panel, except for temperature adjustment. Control the temperature when heating is on. Press temperature adjustment button, then use the flame minus or flame bed plus button on the remote control to adjust the temperature. The display will show the set temperature. Press this button again to confirm the setting. The default setting of temperature is 70 Fahrenheit. The flame minus and flame bed plus buttons only function as temperature decrease-increase buttons within 6 seconds.